Hi everyone, I'm Joe Timeshare. I'm a timeshare developer. I'm rich. I have mansions, cars, and private jets. Today we're going to talk about how I got all that and how timeshare works. You've heard of a timeshare. You may have friends who own a timeshare. Or maybe you own one yourself. You've seen those luxurious timeshare condos owned by multi-million-dollar companies. What we're going to do today is have a look inside those timeshare corporations and see how it all got started. Well, I built beautiful condos in a high-demand vacation destination. I did my marketing, I hired a great sales team, and still, sales were slow. Then I had an idea. It seems the problem was, most people couldn't afford a condo in a vacation destination where they were only going to use 1 week per year. So basically, we were limiting potential clients for my condos. But there were many people who only need and can only afford 1 week per year. So I thought, if I sell them the 1 week that they need, I could sell the same condo 52 times. And now I have a product that anyone can afford. They can own a vacation home at a fraction of the cost and with low monthly payments. So back in my office, I started looking into how this could work. And I looked at the numbers. So let's look at the numbers. We have 52 weeks per year, times the amount of condos, equals a lot of money. I can almost triple the price I'm selling the year-round condos, plus maintenance fees times 52 weeks times the number of condos, that equals a lot of money too. And they pay the fees even if they don't use it. Wow, I like this. But wait, there's more. I can do my own in-house financing and make even more on high interest rates. So I called a meeting with my accountant, my lawyer, my son, the marketing director, and the sales director. With in-house financing, one problem could be cash flow. Because of the high marketing costs, we need money for OPCs, outside public contacts, the ones who bring prospects to the sales presentation, money for gifts, tickets, and transportation. How do we survive? Well, we have these high-interest notes. We go to the bank and sell them at a discount. We can also raise our maintenance fees to make up the difference. So with that figured out, let's go on with the marketing and sales process. With our beautiful sales center and our talented sales team, all we need is prospects. We have our OPCs. Where do we put them first? The airport. Dress them up like officials, and they can offer gifts, tickets, and rental cars for coming to our presentations. can also put OPCs where they go for activities. We can put them in supermarkets. We can put them in restaurants. We can almost put them anywhere. We can also offer free or discounted mini vacations. Now that we have them lined up, let's go to sales. When meeting them, the attitude must be, the offer is for today only and we only have one left. We pay for these prospects. If they don't buy, we lose. There's 4 important things salespeople need to know. They are here not to buy. They must buy today. There is no tomorrow. There is no sale if they need to think about it. Show the high-priced product first, but you need to have a lower-priced one available.
It's great we have a cheaper product for people like this. You will never see an offer like this again.
He's really dropped the price for us.
We can afford this.
That's how it's done. Well, that's how I do it. In our next video, we will talk about the evolution and types of timeshare.